Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export low file size videos in DaVinci Resolve, export videos in small size, easy DaVinci tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device, and once you're already in, just go ahead and add in the clips that you want to go ahead and export. So I have here a project already open and I have here a clip already in here. So for us to be able to go ahead and export this to a low file size, we need to head onto this icon here onto the bottom part. So simply click rocket icon, and here onto the left side you should be able to change the file name in there, and we have the export video option. So you could go ahead and change the resolution for this to set this as low, but I don't recommend doing this. What I think that you could do is here under quality, instead of choosing automatic in here, click restrict to, and then you'll just have to lower this down. So you'll just have to lower this as per liking, like we could do half for this, like around 30,000. Then right after that, you'll just have to add this to render queue. So you'll have to wait for this one. So after you have rendered that, it should go ahead and show something like this, such as completed. So simply right click onto this and open the file location so that you could easily locate the video that you just recently exported. So let's try to see in here. So this is how the video should look with the quality restricted to this one. And that is how easy you could export low file size videos in DaVinci Resolve 18. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.